Discover the new tracking feature in OnGuard, designed for security managers and supervisors. Initiate the tracking feature by opening the Tracking tab as indicated. Access the complete list of devices to ensure you're tracking the correct guard. Specify the Start Date box as indicated for tracking to filter the data you want to review, ensuring relevance in your analysis. Select the day of the month. Choose the start time in hours from the drop-down box as indicated in Step 5. Begin the playback of tracking data to visualize guard movements and radio communications, improving strategic insights. Grab the pink scroll button to speed through the data as required. Zoom in or out of the map view during playback for enhanced context of the guard's activities, aiding in thorough evaluations. By utilizing the tracking feature, you can effectively review guard activities. Experience improved situational awareness and data-driven decision-making, ultimately leading to a more productive guard.